Hey, I'm about to start my car. I'm about to start my car.
Whoa, bro.
You ready for it?
Whoa. I was recording.
Gavin, you're gonna see this one day. You said if we want to get on the wall, we just gotta send you something.
Did you order this?
It's so much bigger than I expected.
Oh my, what the fuck, Dan? That's fucking humongous, dude. It's a life-size manual head, dude.
Oh god, it's so hot.
I remember it being this hot. You good?
It sucks.
That have been Sarah watch?
Yeah.
That shit looks pretty good. All the injectors are unplugged. That's the nitrous nozzle injecting fuel into the intake. This is science, right?
They won't, but...
Nice. Alright, you ready? You're like a circus.
Go.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Digi dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
What's going on, guys? Today we have a few things to do. First off, we're going to be installing a glow shift oil pressure gauge. Now, whenever you get this gauge, it actually comes with its own oil pressure sensor, so we're going to be using that. You have to get an adapter for it, which I have. And also, we are going to be fixing the leak on the AN fitting. So Earl's Performance Plumbing actually has 4 little bitty gaskets in here. So you stick these in there, and it's supposed to be a permanent fix to all of your AN fittings, and they are replaceable. Pretty much it. So let's get to it.
Wow, there's a lot of oil under here. There's a lot of oil. I guess the crescent wrench is gonna work fine for this. This is probably gonna suck. Oh, nope, never mind. It's easier than I expected. Yeah. Oh, there it is. I'll just set this right here. I don't know if it's gonna stop dripping.
It's not slowing down, let's put it that way.
Yeah, it's not slowing down. Oh wait, oh, it's dripping out of the, I forgot about that. Oh well. All right, we'll get this thing in there. That's what I brought rags for. Can you turn me a piece of, actually, I can't do it. Thank you. That's all I needed. Just to speed up the process, you tighten this, get it in there. Make sure you have on plumber's tape so it doesn't leak. And once you get this tight, screw the sensor into it. We get to plug this in and run it to the inside of the car. Let's see which way this thing goes. It's tricky because I got the oil filter right here. I'm really not in the mood to... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna run it. I'm just gonna run it by the stock harness. Got it? Just pull it all up. All of it. Pull. Okay. And then let me zip tie it real quick. You just want to run it up through the middle. Actually, I know exactly where to put this. You take this plastic piece off so I can fit an arm in here. I know exactly how I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna run it along this side of the battery, go in here, and then it'll feed through that hole. Think we can make that work?
You pitch it, I'll catch it. Oh, I found a hole.
Is it easier than the one we were talking about? Oh my god, I forgot about that hole. Yeah, that's where we're going.
You filming a video?
I am filming a video. Actually, hold up. I found another hole. It's better. It'll be this one right here. It's a lot smoother. And you can just pull. Also, I found out why my car was running like ass. The intake, it hits the hood because I don't have it fitted properly, and it actually pushed the intake off of the throttle body. I've been driving around. I drove basically from Dallas to Ruston with no intake. I mean, it ran. It made a lot of power. I actually did a few pulls on the way back. My tuner's gonna watch this, and he's gonna be like, what the fuck? Also, I think I need to replace the door handle. It's starting to not open anymore. I was thinking about putting this.
You care about your passengers.
I think that's like the perfect spot for it. Wait, actually, here's a spot in the corner right here. Oh God! That's why I got the cover on. It helps it keep from getting scratched. Actually, I like that. That's a perfect spot. I gotta figure out how to make it stay there though. So maybe 3M. I hope your tape works. Yeah, that's an old door. I already replaced. Dude. If I break something.
Oh, it's like under there.
If I break something, I'll replace it, I promise. I hope this doesn't take the paint off. It's taking it off. Oh well. Let me go get
lighting for your folks to actually see what they're doing.
Maybe. Let me get...
Half of Daniel's videos are black.
It comes with 2 screws, but I don't know how I feel about these screws actually holding it in.
Oh, that's not gonna hold anything.
We're just gonna tape it for now and see if it works. Tester handle will glow when live 6 or 12 volt circuit is found. Okay, I got this thing for like $2.40, so.
Smallest test light. Hey, it works, happy name.
It handles 12 volts. All right, we're good. We can use it.
Race car.
You getting those off?
Yeah.
I didn't buy any of these today, so we're trying to take them off where I used to have the white box. Oh damn, you already got 2 of them. Look at that. Oh wait.
I hope you know how these go back together.
And then there's some over on the harness over there where the actual ECU is on the back of it. You want it?
Yeah, but I'm stuck.
Do you want me to help you get up?
No, I just.
Or you got it?
Let's get a quick test wheel.
You can.
For me.
Man, I don't remember if I asked you to get in there or you just happened to dive in there.
I just dove in there.
Oh my God.
Oh, hey Daniel.
Oh dude, it's been a long time since I got, look, last time, actually, whenever I was installing my white box, I sat in this position for a full like 4 hours trying to get everything to work. It was horrible.
Imagine that made your head feel good.
Don't ever install.
Wait, wasn't that just 2 wires?
Look, no, well, yes, but I had to do it on the passenger side too. What was so bad about it is that I still had a dash. It was just ass. Like, it was ass. Come on, get on there, Becky. Okay, good enough. All right, now I gotta figure out the other 2. Oh yeah, where's my, I don't remember where I put my phone.
On your gooch?
Oh yeah. All right, so yellow is the ignition, right?
No, yellow's constant.
No, I meant red. Red, and then blue is ignition, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. And yellow goes to green.
Yes.
I feel like these could touch each other very easily.
Well, as long as the ground doesn't touch any of the powers, we're good.
Well, I don't know about that.
You got some tape?
Where's... What do I do with this? Thanks.
You're just laughing at me. Like,
Thanks, man. There's a little bit of extra wire. I just want to make sure that it doesn't get caught in the clutch pedal. We can plug in this stuff and see if it works.
just pull harder.
This one first, the small one. Looks like it goes down. I'm trying to spin it so it goes the right way. This is...
Oh my God, you make this hard.
It is tough. No, they're both plugged in. Oh! 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 Yeah, we got oil pressure.
Oh, it changes colors. Nice.
Hell yes, that is clean. What is going on? I see everybody's got phones out. I got a camera. What's up? What's going on? Why are you?
Technically, Daniel lost the game.
Hold on, give me my glasses.
Technically, Daniel lost the game. So
Technically, Daniel did lose the game.
How did I lose the game?
Because we kept giving you the cards that applied to you.
Wow.
Always has to complain. Is always a genius.
It is currently 53 degrees outside.
53.
How is it?
It's the next day and we got the valve cover off because it's the only spot that I know of that's been leaking with any sort of gasket. But in the corners, you're supposed to RTV this and I didn't in the past. So like right here. So got some gray RTV. I'm gonna put it starting right here, going along the edge down to probably about right there in these 2 corners and it should fix it. I don't want to mess this RTV up. This is gonna smear. I know this is gonna make a mess.
That's all right. It just covers more.
Oh, yeah, all right. I guess good enough, whatever.
Yeah, there you go.
It's on. I know that RTV got smeared a bit, but I mean, I guess there should still be some. It's better than not having any. All right, let's bolt it back down. We're
Sweet.
good.
All right, what did you do?
Well, actually, no, it's not as bad as I thought it was. I said shit because I forgot to put this bolt back in before I set it down, but I can just pop the solenoid off, put the bolt in, and put it back on. Because
The whole time we've avoided taking this off.
Yeah, I know, but now I got to take it off. So yeah, give me a moment. No, I don't have to. Yeah, I got to pull the valve cover again. Hang on, let me just.
Pulling this.
Let me show real quick. I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not. Oh, yep, there we can kind of see it. It's tough though because it's bright. Can you move the light away a little bit? There we go. That little bit of oil, that's coming out of the cam cap. It wasn't even the valve cover the whole time. Pushing out a few little small bubbles. So I guess that means now we're pulling off the valve covers again. Hell yeah. No, these are a lot smaller than I was expecting them to be too. Like you said, I think these are just aluminum crush washers basically. This is probably gonna make a mess and I'm really not looking forward to it. Please don't make a huge mess. If it leaks,
it doesn't leak that bad.
I got brake cleaner. You lied. Wow, this oil got dirty quick. Yeah, it's time to... Actually, no, it's really not even dirty. It's just, it's time to change it. I drove to Dallas and back, basically, and did a few pulls. But, I mean, it's still breaking oil, so it probably needs to be changed soon. I was planning on changing it in the next week or 2. Very simple. You take one of these, they're kind of like donut gaskets. Set it on top of there. Make sure that you get some specifically for dash 10. Make sure that you make the biggest mess possible with all the oil that comes out. And now... it will never leak again. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Ever. It'll never leak. Ever. Ever. For as long as it lives,
it'll never leak.
Right.
You can get in a wreck and it won't leak, according to the website. They didn't say the wrecking part, but they said it's a lifetime fix for AN fittings. I'm going to take their word and spend $20 on it, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be a little pissed. Where's that brake cleaner? Get all that oil off of there. Hell yeah, we're done. Good job. Actually, I couldn't autocross in this car. I just realized that the battery's not secured.
Look, what you do is you take a zip tie and you just sneak it back there. And
You don't understand. I used to have 8 zip ties. Like, I fabricated my own battery tie down with zip ties. It's just that whenever the car blew up, I cut it so I could get the battery out.
When in doubt, zip tie it.
I keep zip ties on me. I stay strapped. Stay strapped, boy. Bum, 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 bum.
That doesn't look right.
It'd be like that.
Oh, okay.